Conveniently located at 225 East Parkwood Avenue, HCA Houston ER 24/7 Friendswood is proud to offer comprehensive emergency services for all types of acute injuries and illnesses 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This safe, state-of-the-art facility features board-certified physicians and on-site lab testing and imaging services. Most major insurance plans are accepted. Whether driving yourself or coming by ambulance, our dedicated team is here when you need them most. Affiliated with HCA Houston Healthcare Clear Lake, patients can quickly and seamlessly be directly admitted if additional services are needed. If you or your loved ones are suffering from an injury or illness that simply cannot wait, visit us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for compassionate, high-quality medical services. Call 281-816-8400 or visit hcahoustonhealthcare.com/ER-24-7 to learn more today.